Did you know some elevators have a button almost no one ever uses? This button isn't for convenience. It's for emergencies and safety only. Inside the elevator, engineers and firefighters can activate a special mode that takes full control of the system. When this mode is on, the elevator ignores normal floor requests. It won't stop unless commanded, even if someone presses the buttons inside. This system exists because, during fires or power failures, elevators can become deadly traps. So while most people see elevators as simple machines, some quietly behave very differently when things go wrong.